Today's celebration is not only about longevity, it is about resilience, integrity, and commitment to justice. The Supreme Court has for 150 years remained the final guardian of our Constitution and a symbol of judicial independence.
The theme for the celebration is honoring the past, celebrating the present, and defining the future. Respectfully, as we join the bench to launch this momentous celebration, we ask ourselves very simple questions. Where would Ghana be without the rule of law, safeguarded by the bench and the bar?
We proudly celebrate the Supreme Court of Ghana at 150, honoring a legacy of justice, integrity, and unwavering service to the nation.
For 150 years, the Supreme Court has been the guardian of our Constitution and the defender of our freedoms. We honor the vision of our founding fathers and jurists who laid the foundation of justice.
We do not think that jury trials should be abolished. We believe that technology has come and would assist us to improve jury trial systems.
150 years for an institution that carries the weight of justice every single day. This is more than a celebration. It is a moment to look back with honesty, to stand in the present with gratitude, and to look ahead with purpose.
150 years is remarkable, but history will not judge us by how long the court has existed. It will judge us by what we did with the moment entrusted to us, whether we merely celebrated the past or whether we had the courage to define a brighter future.
150 years of the Supreme Court represents a legacy of continuity, resilience, and institutional evolution. It is a testament to the enduring strength of the rule of law, the preservation of constitutional order, and the unwavering pursuit of justice across generations.
My lords, ladies and gentlemen, may I invite you to join me in launching the Supreme Court of Ghana at 150.
The fortress and their giant pillars represent the strength and resilience of the court against external pressures, and their whiteness represent purity and sacredness of justice.